In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Base44. We'll walk through the essential actions you'll use most often: opening your workspace, exporting your project as a zip, exporting to GitHub, and sharing the project with others. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and why each option matters. Start by opening Base44 in your browser. For the smoothest experience, use a modern browser like Chrome or Edge. Once you're in, head to the Apps section. This is your project dashboard, where every app you have access to is listed. If you work across multiple spaces, you may see filters like My Apps or your workspace name. The Apps area is the quickest way to get to the project you want. Locate the app labeled Allo Corp and open it. Take a second to confirm you're in the right place by checking the app's preview or title at the top. This helps avoid exporting the wrong project if you manage several similar apps. From here, look for the option to export project as zip. Click that to package the entire app into a downloadable archive. A zip export is perfect for making a snapshot backup, sharing the project with someone who doesn't use Base44, or inspecting files offline. Depending on the project size, packaging may take a moment. When the download starts, save the file somewhere organized so you can find it later. Think of this as your portable copy of the project at this point in time. Next, choose Export to GitHub. This sends your project to your repository so you can track changes, collaborate through pull requests, and connect to CI workflows. It's ideal when you want version control rather than a one-off archive. Export to GitHub keeps your code in a single source of truth with a clean history, which makes reviewing changes and rolling back safer and more transparent. If your organization already uses branches or automation, this export fits right into that workflow. Finally, click Share to manage who can access the project. Here you'll typically see options for creating a shareable link or adjusting permissions like view only versus editor access. Choose the setting that matches your needs and share responsibly. For sensitive work, keep links restricted and grant only the level of access required. When you're done, copy the link or confirm the settings so your team can jump in without friction. That's all you need to get up and running. Open Base44, go to Apps, select Allo Corp, export as a zip when you need a packaged copy, export to GitHub for version-controlled collaboration, and use Share to control access cleanly and confidently.